What is up, guys? Oh, crap. What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, I'm going to be taking apart the Miata somewhat, maybe a little bit, see exactly what's wrong with it. I'm going to take the fender off. I'm going to chain it up, try to pull it out a little bit, and so it's not so tweaked in the front end. If you guys don't know what happened to this Miata, check out my last video and it'll explain everything. But yeah, let's get started. Man, with that fender off, you could really see how this got pushed in. Got tweaked. Look at that like ripple right here. That roll, just metal. That shows you how hard the impact was. So here's the ghetto setup I got going on right now. This is this should be like a chain or something, but I can't find my chain for some reason. So I got this hooked to the come along, and I got it kind of at an up angle since it's pushed down a little bit and it's pulling this way. So yeah, I'm gonna give it some cranks. Got it nice and tight right now. See if it'll start coming out. Oh yeah, and there's Sunshine right there. She's so cute. Sunshine, come here. She's a good puppy. Okay, wow, that's done so much so far. So just that setup right there, this was all the way bent in and it's pulled all the way back out straight. Well, for the most part. Probably get that smack with the hammer, get that even better. But yeah, super impressed with how much that actually did. This little strap right here is holding up surprisingly. But yeah, I pulled that out right there, and I can honestly smack that out with the hammer and the headlight would probably work again. Okay, check that out. The frame rail is way straighter than before. All this all this area is still kind of smushed a little bit, but way better than before. I'm pretty sure this headlight will function now. I think it'll go up and down fine. It's gonna be a little cockeyed, but hey, it'll work. I think I'm gonna grab onto it now from like right down here or something. Got one anchor, got two anchors. Let's pull this thing apart. I was waiting for that to happen, honestly, but yeah, I made some progress. It's looking a little straighter in the front end, but yeah, I need like a chain to wrap around that. I cannot find my chain anywhere. There from the side. Looking good. Crazy having so much tension on these come-alongs. I can literally hear it like uncrinkling when it's metal's getting pulled out. But I think this is about to rip through over here. So I don't know. It's really tight as it is, but man, a whole lot straighter than it was before. So I'm out here stretching my car. As you can see, come quite a long way. It's pretty much almost back to normal. And while I was stretching, I was moving some stuff around anyways, looking for chain, yada, yada, yada. I was putting pieces of wood back into the shed, and I noticed, man, there's a lot of trash underneath my Honda, like a bunch of insulation and a bunch of other crap. And I was like, dude, there's probably a huge rat's nest forming underneath my hood. So I lifted up this hood, and there was a giant possum hissing at me. I was so freaked out, I dropped it and dropped the hood and ran out. This thing looked vicious. Robbie came in here to do something with it. I don't know. I told Robbie about it, so we'll see what happens. Did he leave? No, he's right there. Oh shoot, he's right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so freaky. You
have anything that holds your hood up?
No.
Where's that crowbar?
Oh, that's so gross. I got something to put my hood up with. Here's a pipe you can use. I do not like possums. They're so ugly and they have their big teeth out and bleh. Gross. Here's a pipe. Oh my gosh, you're brave, Robbie.
Let's see if we can get this guy out of here.
Don't get him to go into my van though. My van's right there I'm worried about.
And I'll just get him on the side. I hope that holds.
Dude.
So I heard we could have possum soup. Can you guys see him? Hey, kitty, kitty.
He was hissing at me because I opened the hood fast, you know? I wasn't expecting anything. I was
You're gonna have to get out of there, buddy.
a rat or a mouse or something. Oh, it's so freaky.
Do not attack whatever you do. I'm telling you.
Oh.
He wants to go down, it looks like.
I think that's the way he comes up and down, obviously to the bottom.
But I think he opens the hood. You guys see him?
Oh, that's grossing me
Go
out.
ahead and leave the camera on and see what happens. I'm gonna try to get him to go up, but I don't want to hurt him. I just want to get him out of the garage. Come on. Come on.
He's so scary looking. Oh. Oh.
Come on. Come on.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a freaking huge possum right there.
You have to jump, dude. Ready? What do you mean?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You don't want to go this way. Not back in there.
Oh, oh, oh. Watch out, Robbie. He's going underneath. He's going to the back. No, it's screwed shut. Oh, dude, that guy was freaking huge. Where is he at? In there? I'm so scared. I don't even want to be over there. Ah, freaking hate possums. Okay, Robbie just caught one of the possums. I guess there's two of them. Here's one of them. He did old noose tactic. No. Was that the one that was in the car?
This one has not.
Can we find another string?
I think so. I don't know which one that is.
Yeah, Robbie used the noose tactic, and there's one of the possums. He's gonna try to catch the other one. Let's see what Robbie's up to.
Almost there.
Oh, dude, he's a huge one. Oh my gosh, that thing is freaking huge. Ah. Oh, that's it. That is the fit right there. Not too bad. That doesn't look too bad. A little crooked still, but who cares? It's Baja Miata. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start fitting the fender, but of course I'm gonna have to cut the fender first because there's probably a good, I don't know, at least 3-4 inches cut out of this one, like deep into it. I don't know. We'll see, but I gotta go ahead and cut up the other fender right now and throw that fender on, throw the front bumper on, and she'll be good to go. So that's what I cut off of it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to throw the bumper on. Not too bad. So yeah, that's gonna be the fitment of the bumper. Not bad at all. I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut right here all the way down to right down there. And same for the other side. Cut this all the way down. It'll fit more snug when it's all tightened. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy, a little bit more over here, put one up here, put one right here, put one right, oh, one right here, one right there. And this one's got to get moved. I need one right here. Zip tie it back in place just like the old Baja Miata bumper for a quick removal, and it should be all wrapped up. Okay, there's Baja Miata, and it's all ready to go. I'm just gonna get an alignment on Tuesday, so a couple more days, and I'll be out on the road again. Looks funny with the purple and the black. I honestly like the way it looks. As weird as that sounds, but I think it looks pretty cool. So super excited to have this thing all back and ready to go. Again, I also have to go to the DMV to get, well, I have to go get a brake and light inspection done at a shop. I have to bring it to the DMV to get a VIN verification, because now it's a salvage title now that I have been in a car accident in this thing, and they did total it. So that's whatever, I guess. I mean, just my little beater, but I got things to line up all right. I mean, it's not perfect by no means, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, if you like this week's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thank you so much for watching.